Hi, my name is Nicholas Muya. I'm a STEM tutor at the Clovis Tutorial Center, and I'm here to show you how you can get the full Office suite, Word, PowerPoint, and Excel for free, courtesy of the school. So uh, we start here at cloviscollege.edu, the school website, and if you go over here to My Portal, if you're not logged in, then it will ask you to log in. And now if we scroll down here, we can see it says Microsoft Office 365. This is what we want. So you can just click anywhere here. And then what will happen is when you click on that, that will send you to this a login page. And if you don't get automatically logged in, all you have to do is sign in with the same thing that you used to get onto the portal in the first place. Then you'll be taken here onto this page. And now to install all of the apps, all you have to do is go over here to install Office, click Office 365 apps, and you'll see it will start downloading. And then we just wait for that to finish. And now that that's done, we can open that up. Then if you're prompted, just click yes. And then it will start installing. Now once this is done, I'm going to stop this because I already have it installed. But once this is done, you'll have all of the apps on your computer. You can access them through the search bar. You can type Word, and you should see Word show up here. And it may also ask you to sign in again. You use the same thing that you used to sign in the last 2 times to open up any of those apps. And that's it. Thank you for watching.